Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5 on Android cloud gaming. First, you will need an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription, which grants you access to cloud gaming. Next, ensure your Android device has a strong, stable internet connection, ideally over Wi-Fi. A compatible Bluetooth controller is also essential for an optimal gaming experience. Finally, download and install the official Xbox Game Pass app from the Google Play Store onto your Android device. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in using your Microsoft account associated with your Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Before launching a game, pair your Bluetooth controller with your Android device through its system settings. After signing in, navigate to the dedicated cloud gaming section within the Xbox Game Pass app. From there, you can easily search for Forza Horizon 5 among the hundreds of available titles. With your controller connected and the app ready, select Forza Horizon 5 from the game list and tap the play button. The game will then begin streaming directly to your Android device, leveraging Microsoft's cloud servers. You might want to adjust some in-game settings, like graphics or controls, for your personal preference. Now, you are ready to immerse yourself in the thrilling open-world racing experience of Forza Horizon 5, all from your mobile device. For the best experience, always use a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection, ideally a 5 GHz network, to minimize latency. Close any unnecessary background applications on your Android device to free up system resources and improve streaming performance. Keep your device fully charged or connected to a power source during gameplay, as streaming can consume significant battery. Lastly, consider using a phone clip to attach your device to your controller for enhanced comfort and ergonomics during long play sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.